Heroes, here's ours. Chief Meteorologist Jason Simpson back in Holly Pond today. He got the chance to visit with kindergartners. You can see Jason is all smiles as he sits right on the floor in the middle of the class. Jason, he said that these kids were really surprised that you went to school in Holly Pond.
Yeah, of course, it was a one-room schoolhouse back then, and there were no buses. We walked uphill both ways in the snow. It was awesome to be back there, to walk the halls that I went down years and years ago. And I've been to Holly Pond a couple of times now and then to the school, but it's good to always get back and see new faces. Of course, I'd never met any of these folks before, so there are kindergartners. And my sister's also the PE teacher there, so when I told them that Miss Williams was my sister, they were floored by that too.
Wow.
It's easy to impress kindergartners. No, but we had a wonderful time talking about science. We did a lot of cool experiments, trying to get an understanding of why the atmosphere does what it does, and the fact that air is made of something, which we know that, but it's a concept that's a little bit difficult when you're just getting into school and learning that kind of thing. So some tough standards in science. We're trying to crack it.
Yeah, a pretty fun day for them.
It was great. I had a wonderful time. Thanks for having me, Holly Pond. The cupcakes were pretty good too, by the way. They were made by the lunchroom. Here's a look at what's going on outside right now. We've got 70 in Birmingham. That's a look at Highway 280. Light wind out of the east. It's been an east wind all day long, a partly to mostly cloudy sky, but no rain. We had all the rain last night. There may be a few spotty showers overnight into tomorrow morning, but I don't think it's the big kind of rain that we certainly need north of Birmingham, or the kind that we got south of Birmingham in the last 24 hours. We're up in the low 70s by tomorrow afternoon. But that's it. Jefferson and Shelby County, Tuscaloosa County is going to be a little bit warmer than, say, Cullman County or Blount County or Etowah, St. Clair, where it starts out in the mid-50s tomorrow morning. We should stay in the mid-60s around, say, Center and Oxford. Ashland, only 65. That's jacket weather tomorrow. Hoover at 69. Tuscaloosa to Utah and Greensboro right around 73. High school football tomorrow night. A partly to mostly cloudy sky. Temperatures will be in the mid-60s. As we get into the late part of the evening, as the games are wrapping up, that's probably jacket weather too, but I do think we're dry. Saturday is dry, mostly sunny. On Sunday, a mostly cloudy day. And look at the difference from 77 Saturday to only 65 degrees on Sunday. Got a solar eclipse coming up on Saturday as well. Remember, if you're going to try to view this, as in you're going to try to look at the sun, you got to have protective eyewear that's better than just some simple sunglasses. You got to have those eclipse glasses or use an eclipse camera. You can just put a pinhole through a piece of paper and see the shadow, and you can actually see the shape that the shadow of the moon is causing over the sun. We'll be 57% covered on Saturday afternoon at 12:08 p.m. The eclipse ends at 1:42 p.m. Again, not dangerous just to be outdoors. You just wouldn't look at the sun on a normal day for a long period of time, so don't do it during an eclipse either. 11 o'clock kickoff for Bama and Arkansas. Pretty good day in T-Town, but a little bit breezy. Northwest wind around 10 to 20 miles per hour at Bryant-Denny Stadium. Seibert Stadium, Bobby Bowden Field, Saturday afternoon for Samford. 12 o'clock kickoff in the 70s. And then for Auburn down at Tiger Stadium in Baton Rouge at 6 o'clock kickoff. It'll be breezy there too, and feeling pretty good in the fourth quarter. 67 degrees down in South Louisiana. Friday, a few light showers are a possibility. We're only getting into the low 70s tomorrow. We briefly warm up Saturday, much cooler Sunday and Monday. And then look at those morning lows next week with dry air in place all the way down to 40 by next Wednesday morning. You're watching WVTM 13 News.